I'm Shannon McKee, and I'm from Jesus Center Church in Cesar, Illinois. And God just really laid it on my heart that there was still slavery going on, and He put people in my path. So Promise and Melissa were both put into my path, and we kind of got together, and that's how the classroom came about. So for the walk, we just really wanted to be able to show people how this is an issue in the United States. It's not just overseas, it is here, like they said, on our soil. So we created a classroom experience where girls, just the average everyday girl, can be a victim. And so as you see, it can be anything from a star athlete to an artist to a foster child. So anybody basically could be a victim. So what we did was we set this up, and the scenario was that she was online and thought she was talking to a boy her age, and it turned out to be a pimp who was luring her to himself, and now she's a victim of sex trafficking.
And is this an actual case, or just based on a composite of?
Just a composite, yeah. It wasn't one specific case, but I just got online and really researched. There's lots of victims who have been rescued, and then they will share their story. So it was just a testimony of a girl and how she had been lured into it, and then she has been rescued since. Not necessarily by A21, but there's several organizations. But then we were drawn to A21. Melissa was involved with that, and we just thought, if I'm working really hard in Cesar and you're working really hard in DuQuoin, and Promise is working really hard where she's at, why don't we all collaborate and get together and fight this together? Because there's power in numbers, and the Lord's called us all to this. So that's really how the classroom came about for today.
And what's been the impact of this? What's you've been doing this for how long now?
Oh gosh, this is the first time we've ever done it.
Okay. And
yeah,
so, but then just the impact of your research and maybe what you've been sharing with people that you know.
Well, I have kind of been going around and talking to different groups and different people, different churches about just the problem. And I think the impact is that people just didn't realize that it's an issue, especially in Southern Illinois. So whenever you start explaining that, yeah, there are cases, they're right here, close to home, then you say, okay, maybe there really is something I can do about it. So more and more people are wanting interest in how to help and what they can do about it. So we just really felt like the classroom would be a great way to show that it can happen right here in DuQuoin.
And so how can people get in touch with you or the church or the ministry or?
Well, we have a website, JesusCenter.com. Sorry. So our website is JesusCenter.com, and you can go there and you can contact us through that.
Taking it places.
So what can you expect today? We're going to be starting our walk here after Melissa and Yvonne are done. And once we're ready, we're going to invite everybody to form a single file line over here by Stacks, right on the sidewalk. And that's what's going to happen. We're going to be walking from the park here over to Walmart, and I would encourage you, make sure